So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can enable the in-game FPS counter on the Steam software on your PC, or you can say the Steam client on your PC, which is basically the FPS counter which displays on over all the games you stream using Steam software, or you can say the Steam client, which is basically help you in optimizing the screen FPSs and knowing the values of the FPS that has been producing by your PC. Now in order to enable the in-game FPS counter, you have to just simply open the Steam client on your PC. Once you open the Steam client, you can see the basic interface of the Steam client which is available for you. Now you have to go to the option of settings to do this. Now you will find an option of settings on the top left corner. You can see the Steam option. You have to just simply click on this, and a small window will be opened right in front of you which says settings on this option. You can see, just simply click on this option. Now you are in the settings window of your Steam account. Now in order to enable the in-game FPS counter, on the left window you have to find an option of in-game. You can see it's just right there, the simple in-game option. When you click on this option, here you are in the in-game settings of the Steam account. Now in order to enable the in-game FPS counter, here you see you have to scroll down and find an option of in-game FPS counter over there which says off. Now in order to enable this option, just simply hit this and you can see the 4 different position for the FPS. You can select either top left, top right, or you can see the bottom right or the bottom left. Select the option as per your preferences. Once you are done with the selection, you can see the in-game FPS counter has been enabled, or you can see some different settings for it as well. Like if you want them to high contrast color, you can see the option over there which says in-game FPS counter high contrast color. Once you enable this, the FPS that are visible to you will be in the highlighted text format. So you can do this options as well. So by this method you can easily enable the FPS or in-game FPS counter on the Steam account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.